Okay, so let's create the laboratory number 2. So create a video while setting up the laboratory. Your face should be visible and you should explain everything you are doing. So create a simple web application with SQL injection vulnerability. Okay, so first we have to create a database. So let's delete all of this. Let's create database. Let's call it testDB. DB. So let's insert a table. Let's also insert users. So meron na tayong users dito. So let's create. I've already prepared the code for that. So this one. So this is a vulnerable index.php. And then let's open it. Localhost. Okay. So try natin using injection. So iti-test natin yung vulnerability. So natin bilang ng users. O ayun, so user found. So vulnerable siya. So let's use prepared statements. So let's change this into a more secured. So using prepared statements. So this one. So let's try to attack it again. Kung makukuha yung user data. So try natin i-attack. Copy. So bago ko binutin yung search, so dito sa code is prepared statement na siya. So try natin mag-search. So no user found na siya. Kasi gumamit na tayo ng prepared statements. So that's the laboratory number 2. So thank you for listening.